welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So first of all, I'm so sorry for not posting for so many days, and I missed filming. Like, I literally missed filming, and I'm so happy that I'm back. But if you guys are on my Instagram, you already know what was the deal, so I'm not gonna bore you guys with the reason. And also, I wasn't well actually, but today I was like, dude, I'm done with not filming. I have to put on makeup today. I have to get ready and talk to the camera. Like, my camera is my best friend and I love talking to it. And so I created this beautiful makeup tutorial for you guys. I used all Maybelline product. It's not a sponsored video. I just wanted to do a one brand makeup tutorial, and I thought let's start with Maybelline. So let me know if you guys like something like this. I can do more of these. And I created this beautiful makeup look, which is very easy yet very glam because of the lashes, because you know, you see that little shimmer there. It's a very easy makeup tutorial. Honestly, it's a 3-step eyeshadow, so I thought it would be great for beginners for the upcoming festive season. So yeah, now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So starting with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, I'm using it in the shade 128 Warm Nude and applying it with my brush. And then I'm going to use my Cal Los Angeles Beauty Sponge. It's going to blend it in really nicely, and it's also going to make my skin as smooth as possible. So yeah, I'm just applying it really nicely, and then I'm using the Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium, applying it on the under my eyes, over my bridge of my nose, over my forehead. That's just gonna make it nice and brighten, and then just covering it all up with the Fit Me loose powder. I've been really enjoying using this powder. It's not cakey, it's not drying for my dry skin. Next up, I'm taking the City Mini palette in the shade Avenue Sunset, and I'm taking the lightest shade from the palette and just applying it over my transition to give it a very light effect. And then I'm going to go with the darker burgundy kind of a shade on my outer corner. First, I'm going to just stamp it on the outer corners, and then I'm taking the same shade, not taking any extra shade, just taking that particular shade that I applied on the outer corner and getting it into my inner corners. As you can see, I'm just applying it. I'm not really good with the explanation, but you can see what I'm doing. So I'm just taking the same shade and just blending it towards my inner corner. And then, as you see, I've changed my brush. I've used a blending brush now with no extra product, and I'm just blending whatever eyeshadow that I applied before. So the key here is to blend the shadow, because we are not using any more colors. So the only shadow play we get here is by applying the shadow and then blending it upwards, so that you can see the light to dark effect of the shadow. So I told you guys it's a very easy shade, so I'm just going to use 3 shades. So next up, I'm taking this very beautiful rose gold shimmer and very lightly applying it on the middle part of my on my eyelids. So if this is really beautiful, I'm just using my fingers, and it did blend the shade really beautifully, so I didn't have to go in with extra brush. So next up, I did my lower lash line with the same burgundy shade. Then I did a thick wing liner, and then I'm also doing my brow highlight to make it look more lifted. And then I'm gonna go with the lipstick, but I changed it later because I did not like the shade. And also, you don't wanna not set your makeup, because it's gonna last you longer. And then I went in with my highlighter, and this is the final look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.